Hey guys, Brian here with Limelight Detailing, and I'm out here in Star, Idaho today. And today we're doing a GMC 1500, and I just wanted to show you a quick demonstration and explain to you what we do on the inside of a vehicle when we're applying dressing and why it's important and really the benefits of dressing. So first of all, when you apply dressing, it looks really good when it's applied. It's the final step, and after we've cleaned everything and wiped it down and steam cleaned everything, we're gonna apply a dressing. So we've wiped everything down here and we've steam cleaned, which is really important. You know, a lot of times people will, on their own vehicles, they might just spray some Armor All or some cheap product on there. And really it won't last as long, number one, but number two, Armor All is terrible, number one, but number two is it's also going to smear, and it's not gonna last as long if you haven't actually cleaned it really well. So the first step is cleaning it really nice, getting it nice and prepped to apply the dressing. So two different things that we use when we are applying dressing to any kind of door panel or on the interior of anything. This is a pretty common door panel. We've got some hard plastic here and then also some rubber material. I love to use Chemical Guys VRP, which stands for vinyl, rubber, and plastic. So this is mostly an interior use product, but you can use it on some parts of the exterior. So what we do is we just take a couple pumps here, and really that might be a little too much, but basically we're just applying it to the applicator pad. And I usually just apply it to like one center place. So kind of just build it up a little bit there, get it nice and worked into the pad, and then just apply it in broad strokes over the entire surface. You just apply it here, and I like to just kind of spread it out evenly over whatever surface I'm working on and just buff it in. And of course, anytime you're applying a dressing, you want to make sure that you do it after you've completely prepped the surface so it's nice and clean. You're not just applying this to like a dusty surface, because otherwise it's not going to look very good. So we just apply it nice and even there. It just provides a nice even coating. What I love about this product is it's not greasy and it's not sticky. So it actually dries to the touch. It's very different from like an Armor All or other type of protectant that causes streaking and it causes residue to get on your hands or your clothing. You can actually just touch it. It's completely dry to the touch. Doesn't leave any residue on your hands. So that's why we like this product a lot. It also provides months of protection against the sun. It keeps stuff from cracking and fading. So if that's something that you need to have applied to the inside of your vehicle, select our interior detail, our classic detail, or our Limelight package. Get your car protected. Check us out at limelightdetail.com or give us a call today.